Hi guys, how are you? Now, last session we have learned poem, and I hope that you have solved the activities on this poem. Now, today's session we are going to start Unit 1 Part 2 Story, an encounter of a special kind. This is a story written by Tapan Mukherjee about a young boy who rescued, nursed, and saved a baby langur attacked by dominant male langur with intent to kill it. The story depicts a bond of trust, compassion, and mutual understanding between man and animal. Now, on page number 7 and on the screen, you see warming up activity. And in the warming up activity, we are going to discuss on chit chat activity. In the chit chat activity, there are some questions. Now, you read the questions and discuss with your friends. After that, I will ask questions and you should discuss with me. But you are in at your home, so that there is no friend to discuss with you. No doubt, you should discuss with your brother or sister. Let's see the first question. What do you see in the picture? Observe the picture and tell me. What do you see in the picture? Okay. You see a small girl carrying a puppy in a large round tub in neck deep water of the river. Very good. Now, second question. What do you think the girl is trying to do and why? Okay. The girl is trying to save the life of the puppy. Means trying to rescue puppy from drowning in the river. Anyhow, she wanted to save the life of the puppy. If you were in the place of that girl, what would you do? Okay, you would do the same thing that girl had done. Do you think she will become successful in her mission? Of course, yes. She will become successful in her mission. Now, turn to the second activity. Match the appropriate heading with images. Now, look at the first image. This is first image A, then image D, then image C, and image B. And headings are given there. What is the first heading? Our luxurious bungalows. Second, my favorite pastimes. Third, what a commotion. And fourth, engross in my book. Now, You have to match the appropriate headings with images. Our luxurious bungalows. Okay, our luxurious bungalows. Second, my favorite pastimes. My favorite pastimes. Okay, means A, my favorite pastimes. Water commotion. Okay, water commotion. D. Hmm, correct. D. And fourth, engross in my book. Okay, B. Engross in my book. Right. Now we are going to see the detailed story, an encounter of a special kind. Now read the title of the story and predict that what would be there in the story. You know what is means encounter? Encounter means meet face to face. Encounter means meet face to face. In Marathi we call चकमक सामना. In this story, you are going to learn the mutual understanding between man and animal. Now I am going to read the story. To easy to understand, I have made part of the story. The first part of the two paragraphs, and from my father to festive season. Second, after a her tea to what was going on. Now I am going to read this story. Now you should listen very carefully. My father was a medical professional working for a private company in Raniganj in West Bengal. The officer of the company were housed in individual bungalows inside the large campus. Our house was in a corner of the campus. The officer club was adjacent to the boundary wall of our garden. The compound was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and a host of tall and majestic trees. The seasonal vegetables in the kitchen gardens of the household and the magnificent trees constantly attracted squirrels and many species of birds. A group of Rangul had even made their den in an aswatha tree nearby. They had all become a part and parcels of our existence and daily life. A small incident on Saturday afternoon left profound effect on me and unfolded before my eyes a whole new dimensions to the wonder of the God's creations. It was a few days into the puja vacation. Just like for any other child, the holidays provided an opportunity for me to become engrossed in various magazines and storybook published specially for children in the festive season. I have read these two paragraphs. Now we are going to understand the meaning of the new words. Some words are given there in your marginal page. Look at there, there is the engrossed. Engrossed means occupied. Then unfolded. Unfolded means revealed. Now you read these paragraphs and tell me the another new words. Okay. Medical professional means you know that means one who work in the medical field, that is called here is the medical professional. Majestics means very big. Den, very important. Den means temporary place to live. Aswatha, name of the trees. Pimple trees. Profound, deep. Profound means deep. Unfolded. Unfolded means revealed. Festive season, okay. Festive seasons means season of festivals. Hearty means sufficient and wholesome. Okay. Now we are going to understand what is given in these two paragraphs. Means explanations of these two paragraphs. The story takes place as in the flashback around 65 years ago. Narrator recalls an incident from his childhood or teenage days. In the first paragraph, he tells about his family and the area where he lived. You know that what was the area? The green grass and tall trees and bushes of colorful flowers. A host of tall and majestic trees, seasonal vegetables, seasonal vegetables in the garden kitchens of the household, magnificent trees constantly attracted squirrels and many species of birds. There was Aswatha tree nearby, and a group of langurs had even made their den in an Aswatha tree nearby. Miss narrators tells about his family and the area in the first paragraph. Now see the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, there is given a small incident. Narrator giving here a new life experience. When the narrator was so young and so busy reading books in vacations, he suddenly heard the noise of barking of stray dogs. He thought that it was just a common everyday thing. But the commotions went on increasing with the cawing of the cows. That noise was approaching closer and closer. The narrator thought that something is different here. His curiosity or eagerness took him to the veranda to have a horrible sight. This is the explanations of the second paragraph. Do you understand what is given in the first and second paragraph? Okay. Now in the marginal page there are given some questions. We are going to discuss on the first two questions. What are the professions of the writer's father? What are the professions of the writer's father? Okay, means his professions was medical. In the first line there is given, my father was medical professional working for a private company in Raniganj in West Bengal. Okay, second question, describe the campus where the writer family lived. Already we have described the campus where the writer family lived. Means writer's father, he was a medical professional working for a private company in Raniganj, so that they were housed in individual bungalows inside the large campus. Their house was in the corner of the campus. The officers' club was nearby or next to, adjoining to the boundary wall of their garden. The compound was very luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, host of all host of tall and majestic trees. This is the campus where the writer family lived. There was also tree, a sotha tree nearby, and there were many trees also. And these magnificent trees constantly attracted squirrels and many species of birds. Okay. Now we are going to discuss on the next two paragraphs. I am going to read this paragraph. After a hearty lunch, my parents and my younger sister lay down for an afternoon nap, and I settled down with a storybook. The quiet afternoon presented the perfect backdrop for a reading and adventure stories. The silence was occasionally broken by the sound of my family snoring, the intermittent chirping of house sparrows, the harsh cawing of the crow, the seal call sparrows, the harsh cawings of crows, and the seal call of a kite flying above the ground. Minutes ticked by. I became deeply absorbed in the book. Suddenly, I heard a group of street dogs barking furiously in the distance. I chose to ignore the commotions, thinking that the pack of dogs might have cornered a hapless pig. But soon the barking became louder and more aggressive, and the alarm cawing of flock of cows added to the cacophony. I also heard the disturbance approaching closer. Curiosity got better of me. I have already told you the meaning. Means when the narrator was so young, so busy reading in vacations, it was the time of the afternoon. All family members were slept. They were family members were snoring. At that time, he saw. What did narrator? At first, he heard that all these sounds of the creatures, means going up crow, the shrill call of kite flying high above the ground. Then he heard a group of street dogs barking furiously. But he was familiar, narrator was familiar with these all sounds. So that at first he ignored the commotions or the noise and confusions, thinking that the pack of dogs might have cornered a hapless pig, means unfortunate pig. But then the barking became louder and more aggressive. The alarm cawing of flock of crows added the cacophony. Cacophony means loud, harsh noises. Means there were loud, harsh noises of crows, flock of crows. And so, the eagerness of the narrator took him to the veranda. And when he went to the veranda, at that time he saw horrible sight. What did he see horrible sight? We will see in the next sessions. Okay. Now on the marginal page there is given one question on page number 8. What is the question? How did family relax after lunch? How did family relax after lunch? You should find answers of these questions and write down in your notebook. You should also write down the first two questions and this one. Do you understand what is this story about? If you don't understand, you should raise your questions on my personal number. If you have any problems about any paragraph, you should freely contact me, try to understand your doubt. Thank you.